Hi everyone, just wanted to make a quick video to say thank you for 100 subscribers. I wasn't sure if we were ever going to get here. I made my first video on this channel in June 2023. Then it took over 14 months to make my second one. And then I started the daily uploads on the 25th of October, and we've been going strong since then. So yeah, just wanted to say a massive thank you and a happy new year as well. As a thank you, if you have any body transformation questions specific to your journey, then please do put them down in the comments or give me a DM on Instagram, which is in the description. Give me plenty of specifics as well, like your current weight, current body fat percentage, if you know it, also like your goals and your height as well for reference, and like what you're doing at the moment, what you've tried before. Yeah, just be as specific as possible, and that will help me to give you like the best advice possible. And I'll make a personalized video for you, basically answering your questions if you have any. I'll be starting to put together a small course as well, which should be coming out in the next month or so, hopefully. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Thanks again for 100 subscribers. It doesn't seem like a lot, but when I imagine, like 100 people standing in front of me, it does seem like a lot. So yeah, thanks for your support and Happy New Year.